Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open QuickShare now, do not wait. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so devices discover each other, because discovery is the core of fast transfers. Once done, make sure QuickShare or Nearby Share is enabled in Settings and you're signed in. This authorizes device pairing. Then select the files you want in the Gallery or Files app, hit Share, and pick QuickShare. This starts the handshake, so stay attentive to prompts on both devices to move to the next stage. You now choose the recipient from the visible device list. Confirm their avatar or name so you don't send to the wrong person. If discovery is slow, make sure visibility is set to contacts only or everyone depending on trust. Everyone speeds detection but is less private. Tap Send and watch the transfer progress bar. It shows % and estimated time. If a large file stalls, pause and retry. If small files, transfers complete in seconds. Keep both screens unlocked until the process ends. You complete the transfer when the receiver taps Accept. Files save to the default download or chosen app, so check the folder immediately to confirm. Once received, verify file integrity, open images or play media, and move important items to a permanent folder or cloud backup. If the transfer fails, try the common fix. Toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and on, restart QuickShare, then resend. This clears discovery glitches. If problems persist, restart both devices and repeat the process from selection to acceptance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.